As you already know, I'm starting a bathroom. Running low on gas. Yeah, we're gonna head back. I delivered some materials earlier, but I wanted to get my eyes on the actual bathroom and see what I was working with before I went and got a few other things. So the goal for today is to get the shower ready to pour the pan, the sloped pan, tomorrow. I guess I should talk a little bit in this video. People complain I don't give instructions. This here, everything else is pretty straightforward. I cut it in an X pattern, but I don't cut the X all the way to the edge. And then I push this down in so that this rubber membrane goes over the edge and down before the cuts happen. So if water does come over, it's supposed to go through these little channels here and work its way down in there if it does reach this. But what I will do after the mortar bed is put down is I will put like 3 layers of waterproofing on the mortar bed and where the mortar bed meets the wall with mesh tape. So the water, if it gets through the rubber membrane somehow that I put on top of the mortar bed, makes it down here, comes through here and down over into the drain. This here is adjustable, and you'll see more about this tomorrow. Today was a soft start, I guess. I didn't even really need to get this far. It was all about just getting the materials here. Whew, lightheaded almost. Hold on. Getting woozy. Okay, here we go. I can see again. Gets towards the end of the day. I haven't eaten lunch. I get a little lightheaded at 7 o'clock at night. So back to the point is that I'm already ahead of the game. So tomorrow, what I'll do is I'll run this up to the ceilings, and I'll pour the mortar bed, and that's it. That'll dry overnight. Then I'll start the waterproofing. Pulled the toilet out, but everybody loses their mind when I touch a toilet without a full-on hazmat suit, so I didn't record that. Different time of the year than when I filmed this video. This was one of my summertime remodels, just getting around to uploading it to YouTube. Most all my remodel videos, the #1 discussed topic is the price and how much it costs and what I charge. It's really hard to explain to people who don't live in a major metropolitan area with a high white collar concentration. The demographics around here allow for me to charge this much. All these projects are competitively bid on by multiple contractors. So I know my competition. I know who's going to show up and who's going to bid the jobs. I know how to sell my services to the customer. So I hope that explains it. A lot of the comments, I mean, I don't live in the South. I don't live in middle America. There are no good old boys around here that know how to do home improvement. Pretty much the only people in home improvement are convicted felons. That's just it. One other thing that's different about me is that I am an estimator, a professional estimator. I went to college. I've worked for the largest home builder in the United States. I've worked for large commercial contractors, estimating. I can crunch the schedule, a critical path method schedule down and get very quick turnarounds. That was my job. Straight out of college, I was a construction manager. So I do things a little differently than your average Joe remodeler. Keep that in mind when you're watching the rest of this series. I wonder why he did that and why he did this.
If you did this out of order.
But no, I didn't do it out of order. Goodbye.